Welcome to Katie Trader channel. I installed the parabolic SAR and Bollinger Bands indicator. I open sell because the red and green candles appear opposite each other. And I'm sure the red candle wins, and the last one will appear. The parabolic SAR indicators are lined up and lined up. This is a sign that the market is in a downward trend. And that's right, guys, the red candle appeared last and won. My prediction is that the market seems to be going down strongly. I used 2 minutes and opened $65. We'll wait for the time to run out. Will I make a profit? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss it when I upload the latest video from my channel. Profit, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.